Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to check for old Facebook posts. The very first thing you should do here is you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Facebook application or your Facebook application is up to date. Now open your Facebook, tap these three lines at the top right corner, or just go directly to your profile. So tap your profile here. Now, once you're here on your profile, what you're going to do next is to scroll down till you see manage your post. Okay, so manage post right here. Tap this one. So once you click this, then you will see here all of the posts, remove tags, hide or delete multiple posts all at once. So you can do that here. Now, if you tap these filters on the left side, so you can see here post filters go to specific date. So all you have to do to check for old Facebook posts is simply select the date. Okay, tap the day, the month, and the year. For example, if you're looking for old Facebook post from 2023, 2021, everything is up to you. Posted by you, others, anyone, you can filter that. Privacy. So posts like public posts or friends or only me or all posts to make it sure. Then after that, you can tap this done. Then you will see the result right here. Okay, so here are your posts from the very first year you have posted anything on your Facebook or from the specific date that you have filtered here. Okay, so that's it. You just have to tap this filter and then click specific date or year and then filter it by posted by privacy and you will see the result right here. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.